Hey guys, Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna introduce you to GitHub. So what GitHub is and what is GitHub repositories, what are those. So let's just begin to it. We already created a file about the index.html with our index.js and a css file, right? So we want to upload to a remote repository, in these servers. So how you gonna do that? So let's begin. First thing what you need to do is I'm gonna clear this out because it's too much savvy. Now what I'm gonna do is open a new window of a browser and go to github.com. It's work fine with GitLab or any other website, so don't worry about that. So first you need to create an account on GitHub. If you don't have one, so you can easily create it. Don't need to teach it anyway, so just go and create. And first thing what you need to do is click on new and the name of the repository, so git lessons, right? And description, for now I'm not gonna give any description, right? And no git ignore, and create this repository. And now many people have this problem with that is they can't figure it out how they gonna push to this website, or pushing problems with pushing. I have a total setup here about that in a later section, so I will suggest you to go check it out. And just that. And now what you need to do is, first what I'm gonna do is create the readme.md file. I have a episode about that too, so you can also check that out too. So Ctrl+V, and after that what I'm gonna do is we already initiate the Git, right? And we already did these things. So what we need to do is we create another git commit. I mean, first we need to git add that, right? So git add and period, and git, not our first comment though, but add readme file. So added readme. So when we do that, after that what I'm gonna do is throw enter. And now what origin is, let me explain what origin is. Instead of origin we can also put it there. Let's say what I'm gonna do now is control this and paste this, and the website where we want to deposit this file. So C and V, and which branch. So of course the master branch, because it's only have one branch now. So yeah, and throw that. Within a few minutes it will post on there. And now if you refresh, you can see our files. So that's where it comes in. This is all about this, and you can see that there is only master branch here and all the commit we already did, and with the code. So it's now easy for us to go back in time and go back and forth. So everything easy now. And now what I'm gonna do next is here in our local repository, what we're gonna do is add a file, add a heading file. So h1 tab, and the name, this is a new heading. Okay, save that and git add period, right? And git commit with the message added heading. When we're done with that, just we need to do is here as we can see that we need to now put in our master server. So when you do that, you can see that this name we don't want to clipboard every time. So what we can do instead is we can add a remote. So how we gonna add a remote? Let me just show you how you can do that. What the heck happened? I lost control of my. Sorry about, I'm back now. Just a small break, and now what you need to do is instead of typing this, what we're gonna do is just type git remote add and origin, the file we're talking about. So origin and the website which you need to put. So here it is. So what that is, yeah, get lesson github.com, my name, and get lessons. When we're done with that, instead of doing naming all of them, just what you need to do is git push origin. So origin and so that, and our new commit uploaded on here. So wait, what? Yeah, it's done. Now if we check it again, you can see there is one more commits, and our files here is okay. We are doing okay, and also you can see there the last comment, the branches which we uploaded. We only uploaded the master branch, right? And and many things. I will go depth about the branches in the next tutorial, so don't worry about that. And in here you can see that in the remote, instead of remote, we have this files where it was written no remote back then. So in here you can see again that there is no remote here, but in here we have the remote. So that's it, and see you guys in the next tutorial where I'm gonna talking about the collaborating and the forking on GitHub. So see you guys then.